This is Zach and Megan, and with the help of Bing Bing, we are taking a look at how to make a small-scale, unsustainable farm not only sustainable, but also resilient and economically feasible through the integration of Wetlaculture and aquaponics.
Farms within the Maumee River Basin often rely on the over-application of inorganic fertilizers. This contributes to agricultural runoff and contamination of the river and downstream lake. The excess nitrates can result in harmful algal blooms and anoxic conditions in these ecosystems.
Aquaculture, which is the growing of fish for harvesting, also has a few issues with sustainability. A lot of aquaculture operations rely on tilapia, which provides an edible source of food. But what about the food for the fish? Uneaten fish food and fish waste can create particulate matter that, if left in the system, can lead to toxification of the water and ultimately death of the fish.
Since wastewater from traditional aquaculture is rich in nitrogen and is often pumped into nearby receiving waters, our system will transform this technique by using aquaponics, which grows produce alongside fish. Wastewater will be dealt with by allowing the settling out of total suspended solids, or TSS, for later transport.
Wetlaculture can help provide farms with a sustainable way for dealing with excess nutrients. Unsustainable farms end up overloading on fertilizer, draining runoff into surface waters, and ultimately causing harmful algal blooms and proliferation of pathogens. Wetlaculture introduces wetlands to agriculture to reduce overall fertilizer use and filter runoff before it reaches surface waters, keeping them cleaner for ecosystems and human use.
In our system, wastewater with low TSS will flow into the floodplain treatment wetland, and high TSS will be pumped into the Wetlaculture. Water for the tanks will be drawn from the river itself. The constructed wetlands will encourage nitrogen retention and improve water quality by filtering runoff.
Our sustainable farm integrates agriculture, wetlands, aquaponics, and natural resources. By including all of these processes together, we have created a sustainable system, which is also monetarily feasible for the farmer. Extra produce and fish from aquaponics provides mixed agriculture, which is important when considering climate change. We are hopeful that this will encourage the use of Wetlaculture and begin exposing communities to thinking in terms of sustainability and resilience.
The sustainable farm will provide many benefits for farmers and others who share the Maumee watershed. Inhabitants of the watershed and nearby lake will be able to use these waters for recreational purposes without the risk of harmful algal blooms and nitrate exposure. Thanks for watching.